Time to talk appliances, those handy machines that diligently serve us day in and day out. But are we doing our part to keep them in top shape? Instruction manuals, they're not just for show. They're your secret weapon to maximizing appliance longevity. Those maintenance tips? Priceless. Like regularly emptying filters of your washing machine every 6 months and your tumble dryer after each use. Appliance hygiene is crucial too. Regularly clear out limescale, food wastes, and suspended solids from your washing machines, dishwashers, and refrigerators. Refrigerators need exterior cleaning and quarterly condenser coil hoovering. Overcrowding and frequent door openings? A big no-no. Microwaves love cleanliness. Spills cleaned promptly, surfaces dried, and occasional odor neutralization with baking soda will add years to its life. Washing machines need their fill hoses replaced every 4 to 5 years. Check those pockets before loading, and remember, overloading is a motor's worst enemy. But what if something still breaks? Don't fret. Helpful multimedia guides are available from manufacturers, parts dealers, and repairmen. Or get in touch with ISC Okinawa for professional assistance. Keep those appliances happy and they'll return the favor.